Figurative language is language that is used in a way that is different from its true meaning. It is used to link ideas in order to make language more interesting and help the reader better understand what the writer is talking about. On the other hand, literal language means exactly what is written. It is straight to the point and has no hidden meaning. Let's look at the following examples. Thomas is a geography teacher, and Usain Bolt is as fast as a cheetah. The first sentence is literal language. It is clear and straight to the point. The second sentence is figurative language. It is used to link ideas. We are linking two ideas, how fast Usain Bolt is to how fast a cheetah is, by comparing the two. We want to make you understand how fast Usain is by comparing him to the fastest land animal. Now we will compare and contrast simile and metaphor, which are both forms of figurative language. Simile is the comparison of two things. The comparison is made using words such as like or as. When using simile, we say that something is like something else, or something is as something else. Her skin is soft like velvet. In this sentence, we are comparing the texture of her skin to that of the velvet fabric to imply that her skin is very soft and smooth. We see that this is simile because the comparison uses the word like, soft like velvet. In this sentence, Kayla is as brave as a lion. We are comparing Kayla's courage, fearlessness, and strength to that of a lion. We see that this is simile because the comparison is made using the word as brave as a lion. Metaphor also compares two things, but it doesn't use the words like or as to make those comparisons. What a metaphor does is to say that something is something else, so it equates two things. Wayne is my sunshine. This metaphor compares Wayne to sunshine by saying that Wayne is the actual sunshine. This is a metaphor that is often used to show affection by implying that someone is your light and brings you joy. Another example is life is a journey. This metaphor compares life to a journey by saying that life is the actual journey, implying that life is full of adventure, challenges, and is a constant progress from one point to another, just like a journey. So the key point between these two forms of figurative language is that one uses the words like and as to make the comparison, while the other one just says that something is something else to make the comparison. So, can you find similes and metaphors in these sentences based on what we just learned? The first sentence says, why do siblings fight like cats and dogs? So there's a comparison being made here using the word like. Fight like cats and dogs, meaning that this is an example of simile. This example implies that the frequent conflicts of siblings are just like those of cats and dogs. The second sentence says, your mind is an ocean, nice and blue. Here, the human mind is being equated to the ocean by saying that the mind is an ocean. This is a metaphor that implies that the human mind is deep and has endless potential, just like the ocean. The third sentence says, don't call her in the morning. She's usually busy as a bee. So here, the comparison is being made using the word as. We are saying busy as a bee. This is an example of simile. This example implies that this woman's level of activity is just like that of a diligent and hardworking bee. The fourth sentence says, that phone is a dinosaur from the Jurassic period. So here a comparison is being made between a phone and a dinosaur. by saying that the phone is a dinosaur. This is a metaphor, and it implies that the phone is so outdated and old, just like dinosaurs. Here are some common similes and metaphors that you might have come across or yet to come across while reading or in pop culture. I hope you guys understand them better now that we have explained the differences between similes and metaphors. That is it for this lesson. If you learned something new, give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more similar content.